Welcome to your channel, Natural Herbal Recipes. In this video, we will learn about the harms of smoking and its effect on the lungs and ways to treat them with natural herbs. Here are 5 ways. The importance of cleaning the lungs. Cleaning the lungs is of great importance in enhancing their functions and work. Here is the importance of that. Cleaning the lungs helps rid the body of toxins and clean the inner lining of the airways and bronchi. Reducing any swelling or inflammation, whether in the pharynx or bronchi. It helps in clearing the airways of mucus and improving the blood supply to the lungs. It treats chronic bronchitis, asthma, and throat infections. Helps get rid of bad breath. The best ways to clean the lungs and rid them of toxins. The process of cleansing the lungs is not a very complicated task, you can do it easily. By resorting to some home remedies in parallel with changing the lifestyle and following a diet. To achieve this you have to follow the steps below. Deep breathing contributes to maintaining the health of the lungs by delivering more oxygen to the body, which in turn works to strengthen them and clean the respiratory tracts, which relieves stress and increases the body's energy. This is done by applying the following. Lie on your back in a comfortable place. Place your hands on your stomach at the base of the ribs of the rib cage. Close your eyes and breathe deeply through your nose, then exhale slowly, counting to 5. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. Then exhale slowly, counting to 5. Repeat this process dozens of times, and it is preferable to perform this exercise 2 or 3 times a day. Ginger. Ginger contains several chemical compounds that promote the health of the lungs and improve their performance by reducing the amount of pollutants in the airways before they can damage the lungs. In addition, it improves the blood supply to the lungs and helps in the treatment of lung cancer. Prepare ginger tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger slices in 1 cup or 1½ cups of water. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then add a small amount of lemon juice or honey to taste. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily to enjoy strong and healthy lungs. Note: patients with high blood pressure or heart problems should not take ginger in excess. Castor oil. Castor oil helps reduce the amount of toxins in the following places: lungs, uterus, digestive system and liver. It also reduces infections and improves blood circulation. On the other hand, it can significantly reduce allergy symptoms, especially spring allergies, as it contains natural anti-allergic agents in general. To use castor oil, you must soak 2 to 3 pieces of wool in a cup of warm castor oil. Place the pieces of wool moistened with castor oil on your chest and sides of the body so that they cover the area of the lungs. Cover the wool pieces with a plastic sheet. Put a hot water bag over it for an hour or 2. Finally, get rid of the paper and castor oil and wash your body well of the remnants of the oil. Repeat this process twice a week for at least a month. Oregano. Oregano is one of the materials rich in various compounds such as carvacrol and terpenes, which are considered to be lung-cleansing materials. This plant helps relieve infections, as it contributes to opening the airways, removing nasal congestion and promoting breathing processes. You can use oregano by drink 2 cups of oregano tea daily. Especially if you suffer from asthma and respiratory problems. You can make this rich drink by using boiling water and putting fresh or dried oregano for 5 minutes while it is sealed. To detoxify the lungs, add a few drops of oregano oil to a cup of warm milk or tea. You can rely on oregano, whether fresh or dried, by adding it to your diet in various dishes. It must be observed at least once a day.
Cafe is useful for the health of the lungs and the respiratory system. It is cleansing the sinus corridors, relieves coughing and congestion, and has an effective effects. It contains antioxidant materials. Make a vapor cough power, add 5 drops of camphor in a hot bowl, then love your head a little to the vessel while covering your head in a towel. Repeat the steam bath twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes.
Lobelia. This herb helps to expel phlegm, and stimulates the brain to release adrenaline, which relaxes the airways to facilitate breathing. And researchers believe that this compound reduces the effects of nicotine on the body. Add 5 to 10 leaves of lobelia to a pot of boiling water and cover the pot, for 5 minutes. Then inhale the steam for 10 minutes. Repeat this process twice a day for a few days.